So a lot has been done in the last week. We have got this massive excavation done. I'll walk around and just kind of show you what's going on. So here we have poly put on the dirt bank to prevent this from eroding and collapsing into the excavation as the team works to set the footings and foundation. So footings will start getting set tomorrow. Foundations will come after we pour the footings, because we want to pour the footings first to make sure that our foundation walls stay straight and true. Behind me here, we opted to add some lock blocks over here so that we could keep as much earth on site as possible. As it turns out, at this project, the dirt that we were digging out is really good structural fill. So we can actually reuse this dirt to backfill the house after the fact. Frequently we find, on the North Shore anyways, a lot of the fill that we come across is clay garbage. You can't put it back in the hole, it just turns into a mucky mess. This is nice, clean, sandy, rocky, free draining backfill. It's beautiful stuff. So anyways, we've got some lock blocks over here so that we can keep some dirt up there and keep everybody protected in here. We've got more dirt staged up there, so not sure if you can see, but up yonder there is a ton of dirt. The other thing that we're doing right now is absolutely critical to us that we not impact any of the neighbors that we're working with. So we've got Big Al here working on making sure that these cedar trees don't run into any problems, right? So we're bracing them off the lock blocks here and bracing them up so that in the event that it gets windy or it rains, those things are well supported and they're not going to go anywhere. And it's one of the things that we do at Sprucehill to really keep those neighborly relations as positive as we can, because obviously this can be a very stressful situation for people, and we want to make sure that our client has a good experience and also our neighbors have a good experience. Behind me here is the new primary sump. So this will be where the drain tile for the home ultimately goes to, and there'll be a more shallow secondary sump installed once everything is backfilled and done, and that will be the sump that connects to the district's stormwater. We've got excavation, we're going here. Surveyors were here this morning to pin all the corners and make sure we can put everything where we need to, and we now know that we need to dig this back further. This is the string line. You can't probably see it above me, but there's a string line up here, and so we just drape over literally 3-inch dupe nail, and it just hangs down. And I mean, it's a rudimentary plug bob. We don't need to be exactly perfect for this. We need to be really close in terms of the excavation side of things. Obviously we need to be bang on when we're doing our foundation walls. The footings got to be close, they don't have to be perfect. Foundations need to be as good as possible, because every good build starts with a good foundation. Listen, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what we do, or if you'd like to connect and maybe talk about a project that you're thinking about, reach out. We'd love to hear from you. My name's Eric. We're Sprucehill. Have yourself a great day.